Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a pretty rough-looking chart relative to the very nice movement that happened just a couple days ago. And I realize I'm stating the obvious when I state this, but I mean, when you consider that the price was down around here and then all of a sudden blasted all the way up there, any rational person would say that was a fantastic move. That was a very strong move. The problem is there just doesn't seem like there is any sort of legitimate power behind the move. And what gives me the right to say that? Well, nothing fancy at all, other than the fact that look at where the price is now pulled back to, right around this area, where if you match that up with where it was previously, so you bring that over here, and sure, it hasn't quite gone, completely back to where it was, but I mean, pretty close to back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that make huge movements and then go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, to be fair, I suppose that hasn't quite happened yet. But I mean, that's why, in my opinion at least, this level right down here at the 615 mark is a must-hold level. Do or die, because quite literally, if the price does actually go down to that area and then breaks down through and it continues on down, what would that be doing? Well, at that point, that's literally putting the price right back at those lows. So that would imply that the price exploded upwards and then literally went right back to where it was. I mean, the chart's already looking very, very, very shaky anyhow, but if you're looking for some sort of maybe final bit of confirmation, then for me, that 615 mark is definitely representing that. So needless to say, that is a very important area of support moving forward. Now, to be fair, though, maybe this level does hold up and the price starts to bounce. So if that were to occur, where some of these levels of resistance at, first key area of resistance is going to be that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average, and that's currently valid at, we'll just call it $6.50. So if there is any sort of attempted movements back to the upside, $6.50 is going to be public enemy number one moving forward. But yeah, as of right now, things are looking very, very shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.